Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we are discussing important current affairs for the topic national affairs, and this is the first part of this video for April month. It will be an important session. Stay tuned with us till the end. Let's start. The first question is you have to find the incorrect statement regarding the Energy Statistics India 26 that is released by NSO in March month. So we have to find the incorrect statement. Option B is right, C is right, A is our answer. A is saying India's renewable energy potential stood at 27,04,043 megawatt as of March 31st. Is it so? So India's renewable energy potential was this much on the data mentioned in this video. So I correct. This is the right option. I correct, students. Option A is the no, it is not correct. Why? Because it is not 27 lakh but 47 lakh. That is almost 47 lakh 4043 gigawatts. Right now, option A is also rightly mentioned. B was right. C was right. Then next question is mark the correct statement regarding the electronics components manufacturing scheme approval by the Ministry of Electronics Information and Technology. So among the following you have to give me the correct option. Option A is right, B is right, C is wrongly mentioned. C is saying that the ECMS aims to achieve $700 billion electronic manufacturing ecosystem by 2030 to 2031. Is it so? Not $700 billion, but the target is $500 billion electronics manufacturing ecosystem. Now option C is also right. Next is mark the correct statement regarding the extension of the Prime Minister's Electric Drive Revolution in Innovation Vehicle Enhancement Scheme, that is PM E-Drive scheme, as announced in March 26. Among the following, if we see the correct option here, option A is right, B is right and C is rightly mentioned. Next, in March, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy extended the commissioning deadline for certain projects under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Utthan Mahabhiyan, that is PM Kusum scheme, to watch date. So that deadline has been extended till 31st of March 2027. Next, Punjab Cabinet chaired by Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann has approved Mukhyamantri Mawan Diyan Satkar Yojana to provide financial assistance to women under the which eligible beneficiaries will receive a stipend or a payment of 1000 rupees per month. This will be a direct benefit transfer. That means in their bank account money will be directly transferred. Next, mark the incorrect statement regarding the National Piped Natural Gas Drive 2.0 extended by the Government of India in March. So you have to find the incorrect statement here. Option B is right, C is right, A is wrong, which is our answer. A is saying that the PNG Drive 2.0 was conducted from 1st January 26 to 31st of April under the initiative. Is it so? So it was conducted from which date to which date? It was from 1st of January 2026 till 31st of March 2026, and this was under a theme. What is the theme? Har Ghar PNG, Har Ghar CNG, or Har Gadi CNG. Next, the correct statement regarding the launch of Nyay Setu AI chatbot during the Disha program in March 2026. So correct statement among the following, all the three options are rightly mentioned. Next, identify the center that was designated as India's first national repository for deep sea fauna by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in March 26. So identify the center here. Right option is Bhavskara Referral Center. Next, the National Biodiversity Authority under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has announced that India has emerged as the global leader in issuing internationally recognized certificates of compliances under which protocol in March 2026. It was under the Nagoya Protocol. Next, in April, the Department of Telecommunication under the Ministry of Communication extended the deadline for subscriber identity module, that is SIM binding implementation for over-the-top platforms to what? It was till 31st of December 2026. Next, identify the correct statement regarding Karam Yogi Sadhana Saptah 26 virtually launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for civil servants in April 26. Among the following, option B is right, C is right, A is wrongly mentioned. A is saying that the sadhana, what does this sadhana stands for? Strengthening adaptive development and humane aptitude for National Advancement Saptah. This is organized by the Capacity Building Commission from 2nd June to 8th of June. Is it so? No, this sadhana saptah was actually from 2nd April to 8th of April. Now option A is also right. Next, name the university where Microsoft established the AI Skill Center in April to enhance digital skill and employability. Right option is Chandigarh University. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the declaration of National Council of Educational Research and Training NCRT as the deemed to be university in March. So identify the correct statement here. Option B is right, C is right, A is wrong. So A is saying that it was declared under section 2 of the UGC Act of 1956. Is it so? No, not section 2 but actually section 3. Next, in April, Union Minister Jyotiraditya M. Scindia has released a 5 rupees commemorative postage stamp to mark Dash Postal Training Center of Saharanpur, UP. So to mark the 75 years of Postal Training Center of Saharanpur, UP. Next, mark the incorrect statement regarding Bharat Tribes Fest 26 held in New Delhi. So mark the correct option here. Among the following, incorrect, A is right, B is right, C is wrong, which is our answer. C is saying that it is the first phase projected that features 12 clusters covering 7 tribe weaves and 2 embroideries and 3 crafts. Is it so? So in the first phase, it features not 12, 10 clusters covering total of 5 tribes, 2 weavers and 3 embroideries. So now option C is also right. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the television rating policy 26 notified by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So we have to find the correct statement here. Option B is right, C is right, A is wrongly mentioned. A is saying that the minimum net worth requirement for the TV rating agencies was reduced to 3 crore rupees. No, it was reduced from 20 crore rupees to 5 crore rupees, not 3 crore rupees. Next, identify the correct statement regarding the initiatives launched during the Administrative Capacity Building Program in April 2026. So among the following, all these options are rightly mentioned. Next, identify the state where National Institution for Transforming India's Atal Innovation Mission launched 2 new initiatives, that is Atal Tinkering Lab Sarthi and Mentor India Academy in April 2026. So right option here is, which state we are talking about? It is Telangana. Next, students, identify the organization that launched the inaugural annual survey of incorporated service sector enterprise in April 2026. So identify that organization. It is NSO, National Statistics Office. Then next is mention the city that has been officially notified as the sole capital of Andhra Pradesh in April under Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Amendment Act of 2026. So mention that city. It is your Amravati. Next, name the location where India's indigenously built prototype fast breeder reactor achieved criticality. So it was in Kalpam, Tamil Nadu. Next, Indian Army has released a strategic roadmap that is focusing on unmanned aerial systems and loitering munitions in New Delhi to strengthen India's self-reliant drone ecosystem and enhance modern warfare capabilities. So option 2 is the right option. Next is identify the incorrect statement regarding India's wind energy achievement announced in April. Among the following, we have to find the incorrect statement here. So option A is wrong and B is wrong, C is rightly mentioned. Our answer is A and B. So if we look at option A, India's total installed wind capacity crossed 36 gigawatts. No, the wind capacity, it crossed 56 gigawatts. Option 2, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra are leading states in wind energy installation. So Gujarat, not Kerala, Karnataka and Maharashtra. These are the 3 states, Gujarat, Karnataka and Maharashtra. These are the leading states in the wind energy installations. Next, identify the organization that has notified 2 institutions, that is Referral Center Bhavaskara at the Center for Marine Living Resources and Ecology and Agarkar Research Institute as the national repositories under the section 39 of the Biological Diversity Act 2002 in April 2026. So identify that organization. It is NBA, National Biodiversity Authority. Next is name the company that became the first Indian fast moving consumer goods firm that has crossed 1 trillion rupees turnover in FY26 as reported in April 2026. Right option is Amul, that is Anand Milk Union Limited, and they have crossed 1 lakh crore rupees turnover or 1 trillion rupees turnover. Next, find the regional passport office that became first in India to introduce Braille and Sign Language services for differently abled applicants in April 2026. So it is Regional Passport Office of Bhopal. Take a note, Bhopal is in Madhya Pradesh. Next, name that Indian state that declared cancer as a notifiable disease to strengthen monitoring of the non-communicable disease in April 2026. It is Telangana state. Next, students, these were your important current affairs for the past one. Now let's move to some revision part. Next, which state's panchayat has won the top honors at the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Panchayat Satat Vikas Puraskar and Nanaji Deshmukh Sarvottam Panchayat Satat Vikas Puraskar in March 26. So, which state's panchayat has won these honors? It is for Tripura state. Next, identify the state whose police forces were honored with the President's Police Color Nishan approved by the President of India Draupadi Murmu in April for their exceptional service and professionalism. Right option is Uttarakhand and Odisha. Next, who became the first Indian woman and second woman globally to cycle to Mount Everest Base Camp in April 2026? Right option, Divya Singh. Next, who was awarded the Worldwide Fund for Nature National Award at the National Eco Youth Innovation Summit held in Hyderabad, Telangana for developing the AI-powered Neophyte ID application to detect invasive plant species in the state of Kerala. So, N. Aleem Yusuf, right? He was honored with this, or he was awarded with this Worldwide Fund for Nature National Award. Next, who became Asia's richest person lately according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index? So, Gautam Adani is the India's as well as the Asia's richest individual, right? If we talk about the world, Elon Musk is the richest person in the world. His net worth is more than $800 billion. Next, who was named the South Asian Person of the Year 2026 by the Harvard University South Asian Association for her contribution to film storytelling and representation? Right option is Sayani Gupta. Next, who was conferred with the 9th Professor M.S. Swaminathan Award in April for contributions to climate resilient farming and natural resource management? Right option is Chaudhary Srinivasa Rao. Right? M.S. Swaminathan, he is also known as the father of India's Green Revolution. Next, identify the company that received the Green Pro Eco Label certification in April from the Confederation of Indian Industry for their TMT rebars. The company name is Rathi Steel and Power Limited. Next, identify the incorrect statement regarding the Chintan Shivir on Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana and Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission organized by the National Health Authority in Pune, Maharashtra. So, among the following, which are incorrect options here? Option B and option C is our answer. They are incorrect. If we see here, A is right. A is saying that Uttarakhand, Goa, Jammu and Kashmir, they were awarded for best performance in pre-authorization approval turnaround time. Whereas for option B, if we see, it is saying Goa, Mizoram and Ladakh were awarded for the highest percentage of bio-authentication. Is it so? Were they awarded for highest for their bio-authentication? No. Correct? Next. Name the former Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament who was honored as the global green icon at the World Climate Leaders Conclave held in London, UK. Right option is Joginapalli Santosh Kumar. The award recognizes his pioneering role in the success of Green India Challenge, mobilizing millions of citizens through massive afforestation and ecological restoration efforts. Next, who among the following is not a recipient of the 2026 Goldman Environmental Prize, often called as the Green Nobel, awarded for their efforts in combating climate change and protecting biodiversity by the Goldman Environmental Foundation? So, who among the following is not a recipient of the 2026 Goldman Environmental Prize? Among the following, Greta Thunberg has not received this award. Next, who among the following is not among the 10 Indians featured in the Young Global Leaders class of 2026 announced by the World Economic Forum? So, among the following here, The right option is Ritesh Agarwal, right? Is not among the top 10 Indian young global leaders featured in the class of 2026 as announced by the World Economic Forum. Next, who among the following Indian Army chiefs was inducted into the United States Army War College International Hall of Fame in April 2026? And this is an important question, student. He is General Upendra Dwivedi, the Chief of Army Staff.